19 Best Small Business Ideas for Beginners. Are you looking for best small business ideas for beginners? We've seen many entrepreneurs are confused about which businesses are best to start. According to research, if you put innovation and creativity, then any business can give you higher profit even if it is not trending on current market. We are requesting you to find your passion and research business ideas according to your passion, skill set and talent. In this video we are going to show you 19 small business ideas for beginners. So, make sure that you select best one according to your passion. 1. Affordable bookkeeping and accounting service. This business is best if you are good at maths and account. You have to learn most basic concepts about bookkeeping and accounting tasks. If you've accounting skills, then you can start this business by creating your service website and Fiverr account. 2. Professional blogging business. If you're looking for low investment and high profit business, then professional blogging is one of the best business idea. Start your blogging in which you have experience, education and passion to write all about. 3. Customized furniture making business. According to research, if you're innovative and creative about making furniture, then you can make millions of money in this business. You have to learn all the woodworking concepts and start experience in this business. Understand all the basic things about woodworking and start your own customized furniture making business. 4. Innovative graphics designer. Due to market saturation, you will find many graphic designers are jobless, but if you have innovative designing skills, then you can start this business as a part-time and in future you can make it as a full-time. You must need 10,000 YouTube subscribers to get more graphic designing works. 5. eBook publishing business. Do you have writing skills? Do you have some experience in any field in which you have best education? Then start writing an ebook and selling it on Amazon and your own website. 6. Online music teaching business. Nowadays people are so much busy in those personal life. Most of them are getting free time at midnight. If you can teach your music skill via videos, then you can start your own online music teaching business to make good income for your future. 7. Interior designing business. But you need to go for interior designing course and learn all the basic and advanced education about interior designing. 8. Affiliate marketing with paid advertising. If you have digital marketing skills and experience, then you can start promoting affiliate product links by using paid advertising like AdWords, Bing Ads Network and other paid advertising media. This is one of the profitable online business model that you can start. 9. eCommerce business. This is best business idea if you're looking for selling stuffs online. In this business you have to buy wholesale products and sell it on your eCommerce website or eBay. You can get huge amount of profit from this business. 10. Software or application development. Do you have coding and Android app development skills? If yes, then you can start this business as a part-time and then go for full-time in near future. 11. YouTube channel business. Many people are losing hope on YouTube because of those policies. But if you follow content relevancy and quality, then you can become a great YouTuber in near future. You can sell products according to your channel niche. 12. Event planning business. Event planning business is good alternative for part-time small business. In this business you have to work 2 to 3 months with any experienced event planner. Then, start your own event planning business. 13. Healthy fast food truck. If you're looking for long-term business, then you can start any food item business. We recommend you to start healthy fast food truck business in the college or university area of your local area. 14. T-shirt printing business. If you are good at marketing and branding, then t-shirt printing and selling business is very profitable for you. This business gives you higher profit with low investment. The main task is to how you are going to sell or brand your printed t-shirts. 15. Freelance writing service. Many business blogs and website owners want to get well-written content for those websites. If you've great skill to write a well-researched content, then you can start freelance writing service. 16. Yoga teacher. You have to attain diploma in yoga course to start this business. This business is long-term business. So, You have to keep patient about getting yoga members. Also, start traditional marketing in order to get more members in your yoga class. 17. Business document writer. If you have done MBA or business-related any courses, then you can start business document writing service. This business idea is best if you are well-educated and experienced for writing different types of business documents. 18. Car washing business. Car washing business is nowadays very popular. If you're in small town, then you can start this business with initial investment for this business. You just need to market your business at beginning stage. 19. Website designer and customizer. Website designing and customizing business is one of the affordable and profitable business for beginners. If you are good at PHP and WordPress website building, then start this business. If you like it, so share this video with your friends. You might have seen our video on this topic. For more video and for support us, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.